Dozer, come on. Want a treat? Let's go, bud. No. Oh, okay. That's Dozer. 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 No, my dog, don't open the door. Dozer, come here. Let's go. Dozer. We're off leash with our mean, toxic neighbors. And he's a pit bull, so people are going to hate that. Sit. Good boy. Fun and games are over. Good boy. Lift your foot. Lift your foot. Kyra, we're not doing this. Come on, Dodo. You want to go get a treat? Don't worry, I'm not going to leave you, okay? Treats are usually our trick. Getting a treat takes so long in this goddamn house. There we go. All right, Dodo. You ready? It's time. Speak. 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 Good boy. I don't want your knockoffs. Lay down. Lay down. Dozer, lay down. Lay down. That's a good boy. Roll over. Come on, roll over. He's scared to be on his back, so I just taught him to kind of be on his back.